In 1994, a man walks into his boss's office and quits his six-figure Wall Street job. His boss thinks he's crazy. His friends call him stupid. Even his own parents try to talk him out of it. But Jeff Bezos had a different vision. He borrowed $300,000, moved into a garage, and started selling books online. 25 years later, that garage project became Amazon, worth over $1.7 trillion. Today, I'm breaking down the exact three-step strategy Jeff used to go from zero to the richest man on earth. And here's the crazy part. You can copy this exact blueprint in 2025, even if you're starting with nothing. Let's dive in. Before we get into the three strategies, you need to understand the decision that changed everything. Jeff called it the regret minimization framework. Here's how it works. Jeff was 30 years old, married, making serious money on Wall Street. Life was comfortable, safe, predictable. Then he read a statistic that the internet was growing at 2,300% per year. 2,300%. He immediately saw the opportunity. Online retail was going to explode, but there was a problem. He had a great job, a stable income, and zero experience running a business. So he asked himself one question. When I'm 80 years old, looking back on my life, will I regret not trying this? And the answer was clear. He wouldn't regret trying and failing, but he would regret never trying at all. That's the regret minimization framework. Don't ask, what if I fail? Ask, what will I regret not doing? That one mental shift gave him the courage to quit, borrowed $300,000 from his parents, and moved to Seattle to start Amazon in a garage. Most people play it safe and regret it later. Jeff played it bold and built an empire. What decision are you avoiding right now because you're scared of failure? Think about that as we go through his three strategies. Principle number 1. Start with one thing, but build it for 1 billion customers. When Jeff started Amazon, he didn't try to sell everything. He sold books. Just books. Why books? Because they were easy to ship, didn't spoil, and there were millions of titles. No physical bookstore could stock every book, but an online store could. That was the edge. But here's what most people miss. Jeff wasn't thinking small. From day one, he knew books were just the beginning. He told his wife, "We're not building a bookstore, we're building the everything store." But he started with one product category and perfected it first. Year 1. Amazon made $511,000 in revenue. Not much, right? But Jeff wasn't focused on profit. He was focused on growth. By year 2, $15.7 million. By year 3, $147 million. Explosive growth, all from selling books. Then, once the system was proven, he expanded electronics, toys, clothing, groceries, everything. Today, Amazon sells over 350 million products. But it started with one. That's the strategy. Start small, perfect the model, then scale like crazy. Most people do the opposite. They try to do everything at once, get overwhelmed, and quit. Jeff mastered one thing first, then dominated everything else. Your takeaway: pick one thing you can be the best at, not 10 things. 1. Build it, perfect it, prove it works, then expand. What's your one thing? Drop it in the comments, because that's where your empire starts. Principle number 2. And this one separates winners from losers. Ignore your competition. Obsess over your customer. In the late 90s, everyone told Jeff, Barnes & Noble is going to crush you. Walmart is launching online. You're done. But Jeff didn't care. He didn't spend time worrying about competitors. Instead, he asked one question every single day. What does the customer want that they're not getting? The answer? Fast shipping, low prices, easy returns. So Jeff built Amazon around those three things. Even if it meant losing money short term. He introduced Amazon Prime, 2-day shipping for free. People said he was crazy. It'll bankrupt you. But Jeff knew if customers loved it, they'd keep coming back. And he was right. Today, over 200 million people pay for Prime every year. That's billions in recurring revenue. Here's another example. Reviews. When Amazon launched customer reviews, people said, "You're letting customers trash your products. That'll kill sales." But Jeff said, "No. Honest reviews build trust. And trust builds loyalty." He was right. Reviews became one of Amazon's biggest advantages. Customers trusted Amazon because Amazon trusted them. The lesson: your competition will copy your products, but they can't copy your customer obsession. If you win the customer, you win the market, period. How do you apply this? Stop checking what your competitors are doing every day. Instead, ask your customers, what do you need? What's frustrating you? What would make your life easier? Then build that. Jeff became the richest man alive by serving customers better than anyone else. You can do the same in your niche. Principle number 3.
Reinvest everything. For 20 years.
Where Jeff's strategy gets extreme. For 20 years, Amazon didn't make a profit. 20 years, most companies go public and start paying dividends. Jeff went public and reinvested every single dollar back into growth. Warehouses, technology, faster shipping, more products, better customer experience. Wall Street analysts destroyed him. They said Amazon is a scam. It's a house of cards. it'll collapse. But Jeff had a long-term vision. He said, "We're not optimizing for next quarter. We're optimizing for the next decade." And he was right. While other companies focused on short-term profits, Jeff built the infrastructure for long-term dominance. Amazon Web Services, AWS, that started as an internal tool to manage Amazon's servers. Then Jeff thought, what if we sell this to other companies? Today, AWS makes over $90 billion per year and powers half the internet. Netflix, Spotify, Airbnb, all run on AWS. That one decision to reinvest in infrastructure created a $100 billion side business. Here's the mindset shift. Most people want instant results. Jeff played the long game. He delayed gratification for 2 decades and became the richest man on the planet. You don't need 20 years, but you do need patience. If you reinvest your profits instead of spending them, you'll compound your growth exponentially. Let me show you the math. If you make $10,000 profit and spend it, you're back to zero. But if you reinvest that $10,000 into better tools, marketing, or hiring help, you might make $20,000 next time. Reinvest that. You make 40, then 80. That's compounding. Jeff compounded for 20 years straight, and it made him unstoppable. What are you doing with your profits? Spending or reinvesting? That decision determines whether you stay small or go massive. The compound effect. $300,000 to $1.7 trillion. How did $300,000 turn into $1.7 trillion? 3 strategies working together. Start small, think massive. Customer obsession. Reinvest everything. But there's one more secret. Jeff didn't do it alone. He hired smarter people than himself. He built systems that scaled without him, and he stayed focused on the long-term vision, even when everyone doubted him. Here's the timeline. 1994, launches Amazon from garage. 1997, goes public at $18 per share. 2000, stock crashes, drops to $6. Everyone says Amazon is dead. 2007, launches AWS. 2013, becomes profitable for the first time. 2018, becomes the richest man alive. Today, worth over $200 billion personally, Amazon worth $1.7 trillion. The lesson: success isn't a straight line. Jeff lost billions during the dot-com crash, but he kept building. He didn't quit when things got hard, he doubled down. That's the difference between dreamers and doers. Dreamers quit when it's hard. Doers push through and win. Which one are you? Your 30-day action plan, all right? Enough theory. Here's your exact 30-day plan to copy Jeff Bezos' strategy. Week 1. Define your one thing. What product or service can you master? Write it down. Research the market. Find your edge. Week 2. Build your minimum viable product. Don't wait for perfection. Launch a simple version and get feedback. Jeff launched Amazon with a basic website. You can too. Week 3. Obsess over your first 10 customers. Give them an experience they'll never forget. Ask for feedback. Improve based on what they say. Week 4. Reinvest your first dollar. Don't spend profits on yourself yet. Put it back into marketing, tools, or improving your product. That's how you compound growth. If you do this for 30 days, you'll have a real business started, real customers, and a real system for growth. That's more progress than 99% of people make in a year. Jeff started in a garage with $300,000. You can start from your bedroom with $300. The principles are the same. The results will follow. Jeff Bezos turned $300,000 into $1.7 trillion with 3 strategies. Start small, think massive, obsess over customers, reinvest everything. These aren't secrets, they're choices. And today, you can make the same choice. If this video fired you up, smash that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Next video, we re-breaking down how Elon Musk went from sleeping on office floors to running $3 billion companies at the same time. You don't want to miss it. Drop a comment below. What's the one thing you're going to master first? Let's build empires together. See you in the next one.